What is it like inside the course? Inside the course, you will learn the basics of Papiamento. Not in a way where language is usually taught in classes, but more so in a practical way with a lot of cultural context. This is important to me because I've noticed that a lot of people don't always retain information the best in the way that is taught usually in a classroom. So I decided to change it up a little bit and created a course in a way that I would like to learn a language. And as you know, I'm Curaçaoan. I speak four. So so I decided to create it something that I believe will really help people to learn Papiamento. Now, it is a course that grows with you. Once you sign up, you will get lifetime access to all the updates, and we're just at the beginning. So if you sign up and you're like, uh, this is not a whole lot, hold on, more is coming for sure.